Speed Queen Commercial Heavy Duty Dryer. Not drying as per customer. Upon checking, igniter is not lighting up. Tested igniter but, unfortunately resistance is out of range. It should be from 50 ohms to 400 ohms but, now it has 26,000 ohms. And the machine is already full of dust and dirts. Hence, dryer needs igniter replacement and a thorough cleaning to address complete repair. Meanwhile, we are now disassembling every covers and big parts so that we can access every parts and every hidden corners as possible as we can, as shown in the video. Same time replacing igniter, but needed bracket modification due to old and new parts and differences. Recreated new form of bracket and mounted it to its original location. We used blower and vacuum with brushes to perform full dirts and dust elimination, but not shown in the video. Assembling cleaned parts and drum. Securing screws and tightens every single bit of it. Assembling covers and door. Cleans the area where the machine is located. And now testing it and can come up with a positive overview. Ensuring replaced part is being materialized to its purpose. And declaring it as a unit OK.